In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Base44 project to vscode. We'll start in Base44 and finish with your project open in Visual Studio Code, ready for local editing. Begin by opening your browser and heading to the Base44 app. Once you're in, find the Apps section in the navigation. This is where all your projects are listed. Click Apps to view them, then select the specific app you want to export. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the correct one so you don't export the wrong project. With your app open, switch to the Code view. This view displays your project's files and structure exactly as they exist within Base44, and it's also where the export control is located. Look along the toolbar for the download icon. Clicking this icon kicks off the export process and packages your project so you can use it locally. Depending on your plan or workspace permissions, you might see an upgrade required message here. That means exporting is restricted for your account. If that appears, review your plan or check with a workspace admin to enable exporting before you continue. After export is available and the download completes, move over to Visual Studio Code. Open the VS Code application on your computer. In the top menu, click File to open the file options, then choose the option to open a folder. Navigate to the location where your exported Base44 project was saved. If your browser downloaded a compressed archive, make sure you've extracted it first and select the extracted project folder rather than the archive itself. Confirm the folder and VS Code will load your project, showing its directories and source files in the Explorer panel. At this point, you're set up to work locally just like any other project. You should see your SRC directory and any configuration files included by the export. If you rely on version control, this is a good moment to set up tracking in that folder so you can manage changes safely. And if VS Code suggests recommended extensions based on the stack in your project, those can help with linting, formatting, and navigation for a smoother editing experience. That's the full process. Go to Base44, open your app's code view, use the download icon to export, and then in VS Code, open the exported folder through File and Folder. Thanks for watching and happy building.